Hey guys, welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2020 like it. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset, and I believe there's two ways. You know, the traditional way, step on the gas pedal 3 times, that's one, and the other one is through here. Okay, you start your vehicle, don't just put it in the run, click it twice. Right now it's dead, click it twice. You see all that. Then it's gonna tell you oil change required. You go here and press the down arrow. It says 1, 2, go vehicle, and then scroll to the right or left until you see this guy right here. So it says hold OK to reset oil life. You can do that, okay? Press it and hold it, and it's gonna reset it. But now we're gonna try to step on the gas pedal 3 times, okay? Now let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see if I reset it. We're gonna go to the oil life. There you go. It did. So like I said, there's 2 ways. Through the steering wheel with these arrows, and with the gas pedal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please the feedback, put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later. I holla at your boy, Stu Borum. Hey!